Alright, so welcome back. So in this video, we are going to discuss quickly about Flask CORS. So what CORS does for a web application is to enable resource sharing. Yes, it is always used for an API. So it enables resource sharing between third-party apps. We said APIs are used to communicate between different services, and even third-party apps can be able to use an API to communicate together. So this CORS enables the resource sharing so that even other services will be able to compete with the API. To do that, we open our terminal. Let's use our git bash. Okay, make sure your virtual environment is being activated. So we are going to install CORS. Pip install Flask CORS. So successful installation of CORS. Then you can check this out. You can come here and import it. So to use CORS, we're going to import it from Flask CORS, import CORS, CORS, which means cross origin resource sharing. So that's what we're going to stick with for now. And after we register our app here, we also need to register the app in CORS. So what we are going to do is CORS. So after registering our app on Flask here, then we register it on CORS here. So this is how we register. Since we have registered the CORS library here, we just use the method and put in our app as the parameter. So for now, this is just what we are going to do with CORS. There are some other basic things also whereby we can define the origins and the resources for the request for the resource sharing, but for now we are good to go with this just to enable the resource sharing across all services. So the next thing we are going to do after enabling CORS, this CORS allows us to share resources using different requests. So we are going to set up the requests that we need. After request, we are going to use this decorator after request. So let's define our function under it. After request, then we pass in response. Okay, so response is something we are going to assign to be able to recognize the type of content we are dealing with, the type of headers we need, and the type of methods that we need. So we can just have here response.headers.add. So we need to add the headers that we need. So just follow as I do this. And here we are going to define the content type, and also if we'll be having an authorization header. So let's just have it there. So access control allow headers, then we have content type and authorization. So that's one. Then we also have another one, response.headers.add. Then in this one we are going to define all the methods that we want. We have this again, access control allow headers. Then we define all the methods that we want. So we'll be using a get request, a post, delete. You can also use option. Just let's add as many methods as we can. Does not matter if we don't use everything, but let's just add it here. Then we return response. So after defining Flask CORS and registering the app on Flask CORS to enable resource sharing, then we are going to define the kind of headers we want and the kind of methods that we want. So in the next video, we are going to set up our database. We'll be building a plants API. So we'll be able to fetch plants, all the plants. We'll also fetch a particular plant using its ID. We'll be able to create a new plant. We'll be able to delete plants also. So we'll set up the database for that in the next video.